Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add phone verification restrictions um, while you are streaming on Twitch. Then your viewers will be required to have their account verified by their phone number. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then click on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen and then tap on channel. And after that you should scroll down a bit, and on the right side you can find the customize channel button. So tap on it and then go to the left side column, tap on settings, and within settings you have the moderation subcategory, so tap on it. Then scroll down to the channel privileges section, and within that you can find the phone verification subsection. So here you can set whether you would like to have all of your chatters to have a verified phone number if you tap on this circle, or you can just simply restrict it to some chatters, such as first-time chatters, chatters without a verified phone number must have accounts older than, and here you can set the time, or the it ranges from 1 hour to 6 months, and you can also set the day as well, or you can completely disable this feature by tapping on the last button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.